This is our project, sir. Our project name is the Hercules, sir.
Apparatus, one plastic box, 3 motors, 3 batteries.
First, we have to take a plastic box and we make the hole on the top of the box to fix the motor and provide a small holes on the top of the box for ventilation. Now make the hole on the two sides of the box and fix the motors and two batteries. Make a hole in the front of the box for the outlet of the air. When we switch on the motors, the air will go through the water and use the water and come through the outlet of the box.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Kiran Kumar Reddy. I am from Mechanical Department, final year. This project name is air pressure water pump. This operators, 2 gate valves, 10 elbows, 7 designs, 1 filter, 10-inch PVC pipe, 2.5 inch pipe, 1 ball pin, 1 cap, 2 radiators. That's it.
Working principle. First, fill the water with gate valve. Next, valves are closed to provide air in air tank by using air pump. Next, open the second gate valve. When filter absorbs water, the water flows through the second gate valve because we fill the air. The air pressure flows through water from open second gate valve. When water continuously flow because the filter absorbs water. Next, applications. It is used in agriculture purpose. It is used in domestic purpose. Advantages. It does not require electricity. Less maintenance cost.
Good afternoon to all. This is anti-slip alarm for drivers. When drivers are going in long journeys, suddenly they sleep. Thus the accidents are obtained. So this is the project for drivers who go to the long journeys. First of all, this is DC motor. I used DC motor, 1 buzzer, Arduino Nano, 2 switches, 2 batteries, 1 battery pin. First of all, cycling sensor. This is when we are going, suddenly we sleep. The car will stop and the buzzer will ring. Then we got alert. That's why it is used to prevent the accidents for drivers for long journeys. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all. Firstly, a very happy engineering day to all. So, we are all diploma final years from mechanical engineering. So, me and my friends to make an electric pedal generator. So, this main aim is how to produce electricity with the help of mechanical energy. So, apparatus is 1 wheel and pedals and thread and 12 volts DC motor or generator and dynamo or DC bulbs and the small size wire. So now this procedure in this generator is attached to the pedal and we can serve the mechanism. So that mechanism is converted, the mechanical energy is converted into the electrical energy. So this running process ended. So we need DC power. We need DC power with the help of generator. So the output of the dynamo is depends on the speed of the wheel. So now I will show the working principle. So this is a pedal. So when the pedal is rotating, the generator also rotating with the help of wheel. So the bulb is connected to the generator. When speed of the wheel rotating, the output of the bulb will be blow. Now dynamo output of the dynamo is depend on the speed of the wheel. మనం ఎంతైతే స్పీడ్ చేయగలుగుతామో అంత అవుట్పుట్ అనేది మనం పొందగలం. మనం ఎంతైతే స్పీడ్ ఇవ్వగలమో అంత అవుట్పుట్ అనేది మనం ఇక్కడ పొందగలం. సో ఇట్స్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ద speed of the wheel. Thank you. Good afternoon, one and all. Firstly, a very happy engineering day to all. So, we are all diploma final years from mechanical engineering. So, me and my friends to make a electric pedal generator. So, this main aim is how to produce electricity with the help of mechanical energy. So, apparatus is one wheel and the pedals and the thread and 12 volts DC motor or generator and the dynamo or DC bulbs and the small size wire. So now this procedure in this generator is attached to the pedal and we can serve the mechanism. So that mechanism is converted, the mechanical energy is converted into the electrical energy. So this running process ఏంటంటే, so we need DC power. We need DC power with the help of generator. So the output of the dynamo is depends on the speed of the wheel. So now I will show the working principle. So this is a pedal. So when the pedal is rotating, the generator also rotating with the help of wheel. So the bulb is connected to the generator. When speed of the wheel rotating, the output of the bulb will be blow. Now డైనమో అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ ద డైనమో ఇస్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద వీల్. మనం ఎంతైతే స్పీడ్ చేయగలుగుతామో అంత అవుట్పుట్ అనేది మనం పొందగలం. మనం ఎంతైతే స్పీడ్ ఇవ్వగలమో అంత అవుట్పుట్ అనేది మనం ఇక్కడ పొందగలం. సో ఇట్స్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద వీల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
This technique is firefighting robot. These operators have 3 flames and tops, cardboard, 4 Devo motors with wheels, 1 breadboard, and Uno motor driver 1, 2 lithium batteries, 1 motor pump with wire, and 4 sets of jumper wires.
The procedure is using for fire offing. It is using to emergency 0.5 meters radius. 0.5 radius is used offing fire lines. It is controlled to Uno program. It is lithium batteries power supplying. It is motor supply also power supplying. It is only control coding. It is running automatically side and displays at radius automatically. It is controlling lithium batteries and using water. This is the process. It is used to vary fire radius using meter.
Sure.
Up.
Camera.
Good evening, sir. It is the solar grass cutting machine. It is made of the PVC pipes, elbows, and it is solar panel and 775 DC motor, so grass cutting blade, and 12-volt battery, switch on, off on, switch. Small wheels. It is used in grass cutting operation. It is run on 7.5 DC motor. 7.5 DC motor. Solar panel. Solar panel starts the battery automatically. To switch on the power source to to cut the grass small pieces. Advantages: low cost and less time required. Disadvantages: in winter season cannot use, but battery
but gravity will be used.
A happy engineering day to all. So I make our team members to make a mini water turbine. So first of all, this equipment I will tell about. Say mini water tank, and this is water turbine. In this back side a small generator is there, and this is transformer, and this is home. So I will explain about this procedure. So what is water turbine? Water turbine is a rotary motion. It consists of kinetic energy and potential energy. It's converted into mechanical energy. So water turbine is developed in 19th century. So it is normally used in industrial power prior to electrical grids. So it is mostly used to generate electric power. So this water turbine is found in dams to produce electric power generation from water potential energy. So now I will explain about this procedure. First of all, to fill the water in the water tank. Now water is passes through the rotary water turbine blades. These blades is attached to the turbine. So water blades rotate. Backside is generator. So water turbine is rotates. Then kinetic energy and potential energy is converted into mechanical energy. So that's mechanical energy is passes through the transformer. So what is transformer? Transformer is to produce electric power generation. So that's mechanical energy is passes through the transformer. So that's transformer to produce electric power generation. So that's power generation will be used for home needs. Thank you, sir.
We are connected to the wires at the battery negative side with this one pole of the negative side. We connected to switch the one pole, and another pole in switch we connect the junction to the wires on the negative place, and another side we can connect the batteries at the positive side and connected to the junction wires, and we are connected to the DC motor, and we connected at the two wires at the help of junction wires, and in this and dynamo and DC motor we are connected to the pulley, connected to the different pulley. So dynamo motor will be give the current at the rotation speed of the DC motor, and the dynamo motor will be produces the current and gives the USB, and USB will be give the charging mobile to charge the mobile.
This is Karthik from Mechanical branch. This is a rotating air container with a PVC pipe. In this equipment we are using 3 elbows, 2 T's, and types, motor, and slipper brush and types. In this you want to take a 1 meter pipe. We want to cut it into 20 centimeters 3 pipes and 10 centimeters 2 pipes. And we want to fix clearly and clampy with a MC. And we want to take a motors and fix it into downside, and we want to set a electric motor, HW motors. When it is used, when you give a connection with battery switch motor, it can be moved from front. While moving the front, this brush will be rotates. It is low budget cost and no pressure to the people, and no button to the people.
This is my product. This is my product. This product name is U-meter. These components are used in cardboard is 2 switches, 2 bulbs, and battery, fan, DC motor, 2 holders.
This working principle is construction of this building is take cardboard and cut in the form of cubite shape and paste it with glue gun. On back side of this cardboard, attach with 2 holders and take 2 wires and connect these 2 holders with one wire, and then place and then take two electric bulbs and connect to each of these two holders, and then take a DC motor and connect with the rotating fan and give the take an HW battery and give supply to that DC motor, and then give connection to this room heater, and then the electric bulbs produce converts light energy into heat energy, that heat will
Sir, this is a seed drill machine. In this, so many materials are used to make this project, like large funnels, seed saw blades, steel plates, pipes, plastic pipes, chains sprockets, wheels, anglers, bars, pipes, etc. So many materials are used, sir. When we pour the seeds into the funnel, when we pour the seeds into the funnel, then seeds go to the seed box. But not goes into the land. When the woman moves to the seed release moves to the forward, then seeds go to the land and cover up with the soil with the use of flask. Okay, sir.
My name is T. Surya. I am studying mechanical at Rival College. Those are my teammates. We are introducing the smoke observer. In this observer, is a small and mini unique project. It is a simple method to transmit waste fluid gases from one place to another places. In this project, we use two motors, two batteries, and two switches, and on top of the water bottle, and PVC pipes, and smart tube. In this project, two motors are connected different parallel connection to the battery and two switches. And one motor is placed on one side of the box, and another motor is placed on the both side of the box. One side of the box will use 6 PVC pipes with the diameter and cut it and placed into the box. Another top of the water bottle is placed before the motor, and it is connected one top of the water bottle to the cap is fitted with a small diameter pipe. Then the air sucks into the PVC pipes that motor runs